Hey guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another part of my vlog, places here in Al Khobar, and the story of my life here in Saudi Arabia. Now, I'm here in IKEA Dhahran. We call this as Dhahran, no? But still a part of the Khobar area. Here. If you can see here, time check is 9 o'clock in the morning, and if you can see, the parking area space is not that full. Okay, so for today Friday, we're gonna have breakfast in IKEA, and I'll show you the places, guys. Okay, and watch out for that. And I hope you will enjoy watching all my videos for my ARL reality life moment. If you can see here, guys, oh, there's a long wait queue here. Okay, watch out, guys. See you later around. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ARL reality life moment. Bye. So guys, I am already here in the entrance, at the entrance of IKEA. Okay, here it is. So they will check, of course. Wait. So I am done scanning my tawakal na. See here, guys. This is the main entrance, and my family is over there because we will do our breakfast. We will be having our breakfast, but still they still want to buy the shawarma. See? You say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. You say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, see? Okay, guys. See you later around for the follow-up of my video. Okay. And you can see there are no customers here yet. Here, this is the counter of IKEA. Okay. Bye. Later around. This is the IKEA Swedish Food Market and Bistro. And this is the place where my children is always buying the shawarma. They love it, and also I love it. Before, guys, you know, the shawarma is only 1 real. Now it costs around maybe 3 reals now. Okay, that's the area. It's a counter. Still, there's no customer yet, but sometimes during weekend, you know, this is so full and there's a very long queue line here. Okay, Carl Andre, Daddy. Now we are already in the breakfast area, dining area. Here. Of course, we are early today. See, I have my friend here. This is the area. So we will be having our breakfast and a little bonding with my friend here in IKEA. This is the area. Okay, guys, we are now done with our breakfast, and you can see that's the dining area for the IKEA, the mom or the Rani area. Okay, and I'll show you guys this area down is the store for the IKEA. It's a very big wide area here. Okay, YouTube channel, ARL Reality Life. Bye! So guys, we're finished with our breakfast for today. And we had so much fun. And also we met our friends here. This is the place. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ARL Reality Life Moment. Bye everyone and God bless. Going out to the elevator. Here is it. This is the wide area here inside the elevator. And be happy everyone and God bless. Bye. Thank you for watching again.